John Wayne Airport HS information Zulu 2053 Zulu. Wind 220 at 9er. Visibility 7. View clouds at 2000. Temperature 24. 2.17. Altimeter 2983. Visual approach is runway 20 right in use. Landing and departing runway 20 right and 20 left.
And John Wayne clearance delivery Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra.
Was it 375 Charlie Sierra, John Wayne clearance, go ahead.
A firm 375 Charlie Sierra with Cessna 172/Golf over at Dove Street, information is Zulu. Request an amazing departure and a flight following to Van Nuys, and we'll be transitioning special flight rules.
375 Charlie Sierra on departure, turn right heading 220, maintain the VFR at or below 2,400, advisory frequency 125.35, squawk 0225.
After departure, right turn 220 VFR at below 2,400 feet, departure on 125.35 and squawk 0225, 5 Charlie Sierra.
5 Charlie Sierra, read back is correct, contact ground whenever you're ready, good day.
Have a good day. And ground hello, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra is at Dove Street, request taxi for run-up.
375 Charlie Sierra, Jeffrey ground taxi via Alpha to midfield run-up.
Alpha to the emitter run-up, 5 Charlie Sierra.
At Southwest 130, it's with you clear at Echo, go on to gate 16.
Southwest 130, John McGrain, 16's occupied, 16.
That's what we have, we'll give them a call.
Southwest 130, roger, taxi via Alpha, hold short of gate 21, let me know what you find out.
Alpha short of 21, we'll let you know at Southwest 130.
Hey, heading's good, mag's good, turn slip is turning, and we'll keep our distance from that guy. That's released. Shut your door before we get going. And ground 5 Charlie Sierra, run-up is complete.
That's 5 Charlie Sierra, runway 20 left, taxi, Kilo.
20 left, Charlie Kilo, 5 Charlie Sierra. Hey, clear, clear, clear. And then once we get airborne, there will be air coming out of that, so.
Okay. Coming out now.
Yeah.
5 Charlie Sierra, contact tower 12618.
1268, 5 Charlie Sierra, have a good day.
All the way down the end.
Yeah, pretty much. And town hello, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra, fully ready on Kilo, correction, Kilo, yeah.
375 Charlie Sierra, runway tower, fly runway heading until advised, runway 20 left at Kilo, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading to advised, 20 left at Kilo, clear for takeoff, 5 Charlie Sierra. Clear.
Before Charlie Papa, caution weak turbulence from a Falcon short, final runway 20 right, clear to land.
20 right, clear to land, thanks for help, 384, tap up.
Wind check.
Wind 22010.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's go. Hey, RPM is up, T's and P's are in green, speed's alive.
Exit jet 258, contact ground 120.8, have a good day.
Alright, 120.8, have a good day, 2.8.
Runway heading to
Number 5
advance.
Charlie Sierra, right turn heading 220 is approved.
Right turn 220 approved, 5 Charlie Sierra. And 5 Charlie Sierra, can we possibly get a heading of 250 degrees? There's a bit of weather up ahead.
Yeah, 250 heading's fine.
Thank you very much. You're fine.
5 Charlie Sierra, radar contact the altitude.
Passing altitude 500, 5 Charlie Sierra.
5 Charlie Sierra, contact SoCal approach 125.35, maintain VFR to 2,400.
Wilco 125.35, 5 cheerio. And SoCal, good afternoon. Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra, passing altitude 800 feet, heading 250 degrees, 4,500 for the special flight rules.
Sierra, SoCal approach, Roger, resume my navigation and altitude discretion.
Navigation, altitude 5 Charlie Sierra, thank you.
Right, Mike Echo, contact approach on 121.3.
121.3 for Mike Echo, and thank you for the help this afternoon.
Welcome. Number 5 Charlie Sierra, maintain VFR to below 3,000.
At below 3,000, 5 Charlie Sierra.
962, maintain VFR 3,500 for traffic. 962, maintain VFR 3,500 for traffic.
Maintaining 3,500 for traffic, 906, yeah.
962, you going via the Queen Mary?
Affirmative, 906, yeah.
Number 5 Charlie Sierra, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles northeastbound, Airbus 2,500, descending to 2,000.
Traffic inside 5 Charlie Sierra.
W1435, traffic 1 o'clock, 5 miles westbound to Cessna at 3,000 as you inside.
1435, thank you, we're looking.
W1435, 5 miles from Becca, turn swing 330, maintain 1,600 until stops on the localizer, clear off approach.
330, 1600, and clear for the approach, 30, ILS 1435.
November 5 Charlie Sierra, VFR climb approved.
Climb approved, 5 Charlie Sierra.
November 962, descend at your discretion, traffic 1 o'clock and 1 mile westbound to Cessna.
Look down there, can you see the plane?
Send out discretion, looking for traffic, 906, yeah. Traffic is 906,
It's a plane going into
W1435, did you have the airport in
beach.
sight?
That's affirmative, JetBlue 1435.
W1435, roger, cleared visual approach runway 30.
Clear the visual 30, JetBlue 1435.
W1435, contact Long Beach Tower, 109.4, good day.
194, 1435, see you in a few.
November 5 Charlie Sierra, contact approach 127.2, traffic factor.
127.2, 5 Charlie Sierra, have a good day. SoCal, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra, 3,600 feet, climbing 45.
375 Charlie Sierra, SoCal, approach altimeter 2983.
2983, 5 Charlie Sierra, we've got the traffic below us inside.
Roger.
And SoCal, 5 Charlie Sierra, request.
Say again?
5 Charlie Sierra, we just got a request. Could you possibly tell us the cloud cover at LAX, if possible?
LA has a ceiling 1,100 broken over the airport.
Okay, thank you very much. 5 Charlie Sierra. Awareness.
November 5 Charlie Sierra, radar service terminated, squawk 1201, change to advisory frequency approved. Good day.
1201, frequency change approved. 5 Charlie Sierra, have a good day. Okay, code 1201, 128.55 is set. And Los Angeles special flight rules, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra is a white and blue Cessna 172, just about 5 miles to the south of Torrance, 4,500 feet northwestbound. Special flight rules traffic. And special flight rules traffic, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra, beam Hawthorne, 4,500 feet northwestbound. Special flight rules traffic. And special flight rules traffic, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra, just above Los Angeles, 4,500 feet northwestbound. Special flight rules. African site up there. You see that white patch over there?
Yeah,
that's Van Nuys.
Plane up there, on the right.
Traffic.
Guys below us, but in Los Angeles we can't see sadly because of all the cloud. That's Los Angeles Airport right below us. Here. And 5 Charlie Sierra, can you confirm you want us to right downwind 16 right?
Cessna 5 Charlie Sierra, verify, yeah, affirmative. Make right traffic, running 16 right, continue descent to 2001 Able.
Okay, descent 2000, 16 right, and right traffic, 5 Charlie Sierra for that. Okay.
And Cessna 5 Charlie Sierra, amend instructions. Make left traffic, fly over the freeway for left traffic. Traffic will be departing southwest bound of Cherokee.
Okay, no problem, mate. Left traffic, 5 Charlie Sierra.
Cessna 5 Charlie Sierra, contact tower now 120.2, good day.
120.2, 5 Charlie Sierra, have a good day. Van Nuys Tower, hello, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra, we're going to make right traffic, 16 right. Sorry, left traffic.
375 Charlie Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, roger, follow the freeway below you, make left traffic, runway 16 left.
Okay, follow the freeway, left traffic, 16 left, 5 Charlie Sierra.
5 Charlie Sierra, where do you park on the airport?
Which we taxiing back and departing back to John Wayne via special flight rules.
5 Charlie Sierra, roger. Flying 163 Delta Delta Van Nuys Tower, continue the approach. And will this be a full stop? Okay. 5 Charlie Sierra, change to runway 16 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 16 right, 5 Charlie Sierra.
And as airport latest information, Quebec current, wind 120 at 10, altimeter 2981.
Okay, so we are clear to land. It will beam the numbers. We are
6392 Charlie Van Nuys Tower, make right traffic, runway 16 right. Wind 120 at 10. Cherokee 300 Echo Foxtrot Van Nuys Tower, make right traffic, runway 16 right, squawk 0267. Cherokee 0 Echo Foxtrot, company 8 Echo Foxtrot, also on frequency. Cherokee 93 Charlie, do you want to follow traffic over on short final or Cessna on a 3-mile final? Cherokee 93 Charlie, number 2, follow traffic over the fence, runway 16 right, clear to land, and you're ahead of a Cessna 3-mile final. Diamond 8 Echo Foxtrot, use caution for company 0 Echo Foxtrot, also on frequency. Number 3 Delta Delta, number 2, following a Cherokee in the west downwind, they're being the VOR now. Cherokee 93 Charlie, keep your base in tight or make a short approach, please. Diamond 8 Echo Foxtrot, do you want to fly following to your destination? Wind 120 at 9er. Cessna 5 Charlie Sierra, turn right at Hotel, the high speed, contact ground point 7.
right turn, 0.7, 5 Charlie Sierra, bye now.
Goodbye.
Pretty good. Van Nuys ground, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra.
Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra, Van Nuys, go ahead.
It's tower 1208, we're not getting any response.
5 Charlie Sierra, 119.3, 19.3.
Oh, 19.3, my mistake, 5 Charlie Sierra, bye now.
Van Nuys ground, Fluxjet 345. Clear the access going to 6.
Cherokee 9000, wind 140 at 14, runway 16 right, cleared for takeoff.
16 right, clear for takeoff, 900.
Van Nuys down, hello, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra, short of 16 right, behind the Cherokee at Charlie. I would like a straight out departure to the special flight rules.
375 Charlie Sierra, Van Nuys, you can expect that, hold short, runway 16 right.
Wilco, hold short of 16 right, 5 Charlie Sierra. Right, can you hold on to the iPad, please?
Number 5 Charlie Sierra, the Cherokee will be departing IFR southwestbound ahead of you. Runway 16 right, clear for takeoff, straight out departure approved. Wind 140 at 14.
That's copied, 16 right, Charlie, clear for takeoff, straight out departure approved, 5 Charlie Sierra. I'm sorry, what was the wind again?
Wind 140 at 14.
Thank you. Okay, T's and P's are in the green, speed's alive.
Cherokee 9000, have a good flight contact, soak out the pressure.
Contact local depot 900.
Visual with the traffic up ahead.
Charlie Sierra, squawk VFR.
Squawk VFR, 5 Charlie Sierra.
For 5 Charlie Sierra, remain clear of the class Charlie for about another 2 miles, and you can squawk 1201, frequency change approved.
Wilco, free change approved, 5 Charlie Sierra, have a good day.
Good day.
Traffic.
Visual. LA special flight rules, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra, 3,500 feet southeastbound, just coming over Santa Monica, special flight rules traffic.
Lima Center, Fullerton, weather portion 220H, visibility 8 miles sky clear, altimeter 2982, line in 24.
970, Yankee information, Lima.
SoCal, hello, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra.
Number 375 Charlie Sierra, SoCal, first sky.
Good afternoon, we're 3,500 feet southeastbound, about 10 miles to the northwest of Queen Mary. We'd like flight following to John Wayne or Cessna 172/Golf.
November 5 Charlie Sierra, squawk 0260, ident.
0260 and we'll give you an ident, 5 Charlie Sierra. 0260, 026.
67431, ticketing 2,500.
Number 67431, SoCal approach, roger. Information Alpha Square to Torrance, you looking for practice approach?
Traffic ILS 41.
November 0 Yankee, contact approach 125.35.
125.35, 970, Yankee.
November 431, say again, you want the ILS?
Practice ILS 41.
Roger. Number 5 Charlie Sierra, radar contact 4 miles north of
Wilco, 5 Charlie Sierra. And SoCal, 5 Charlie Sierra.
Again?
5 Charlie Sierra, can we have an early left turn to direct to the airport just because the marine layer is not really burnt out over the coast?
Yeah, do so. 5 Charlie Sierra, contact Kelvin Tower, 126.8, let them know.
Okay, Tower 1268, 5 Charlie Sierra, thank you.
Joey Tower, helicopter 31 X-ray, we're a mile north of the Huntington Beach Pier. I'd like to request a south shoreline transition, please.
Helicopter 31 X-ray, John Tower, squawk 430, right in. Transition approved, altimeter 2984.
Joey X-ray, roger, right in.
Tower Southwest 559, right base, 20 right.
Southwest 559, John Tower, runway 20 right, clear to land.
Clear land, 20 right, Southwest 559.
Helicopter 31 X-ray, radar contact, and say altitude. Helicopter 31 X-ray, radar contact, say altitude.
31 X-ray, we're 500.
Southwest 764, contact ground.
Southwest 764.
Southwest 559, John Tower, runway 20 right, clear to land.
Clear land, 20 right, Southwest 559.
And Joey Tower, hello, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra, just over the pier, and bound for a full stop.
That's 375 Charlie Sierra, John Tower, make right traffic, runway 20 right.
Right, can we get 20 left, 5 Charlie Sierra.
That's 5 Charlie Sierra, make right traffic for runway 20 right.
Okay, right traffic 20 right, 5 Charlie Sierra.
Sport Star 7970 Tango, John Tower, you ready to go?
Ready to go, 7 Sierra Tango.
Where's that 70 Tango, runway 20 left at Kilo, clear for takeoff.
20 left at Kilo, clip for takeoff, 7 Sierra Tango.
Delta 1091, John Tower, runway 20 right, clear to land.
20 right, clear to land, Delta 1091.
This is 5 Charlie Sierra, cross over at the airport now at the control tower, and our left downwind for runway 20 left.
Okay, over the tower, and then left downwind 20 left, 5 Charlie Sierra, thank you.
Sportstar 70 Tango, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawk VFR, 7 Sierra Tango, thank you.
Hey, John Wayne Tower, good afternoon. Cherokee 75, 901 Romeo is approaching Mile Square Park, inbound for landing.
Cherokee 75, 901 Romeo, John Tower, cross over at the airport at the control tower, and our left downwind for runway 20 left.
Okay, we'll cross over midfield control tower, enter left traffic for 20 left, up 5, now Romeo.
Cessna 5 Charlie Sierra, runway 20 left, clear to land, and report an Airbus on a 4-mile final in sight.
20 left, clear to land, traffic inside, 5 Charlie Sierra.
5 Charlie Sierra, maintain visual separation, caution, wake turbulence.
Wilco, 5 Charlie Sierra.
Tower United 529, 10 back, visual, 20 right.
United 529, John Tower, runway 20 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 20 right, United 529.
Cessna 5 Sun Pop, roger. You're following Cessna just over the freeway downwind, runway 20 left, clear to land.
Tower, helicopter 31 X-ray, I'd like to request north transition, please.
Gulfstream 3 Whiskey Charlie, turn left or right and contact ground.
Roger.
Delta 1091, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles, turning base for the parallel runway Cessna, the heavy in sight, will maintain visual separation.
Delta 1091.
Helicopter X-ray northbound approved.
31 X-ray, roger, thanks.
Cessna 9680, John Tower, make left traffic, runway 20 left.
Traffic.
Wind check.
Wind 210 at Niner.
Cheers.
Sportstar 24 Bravo Mike, John Tower, make left traffic, runway 20 left. 31 X-ray traffic, 2 o'clock, and 4 miles entering the 45, the sports are 1,500.
31 X-ray, roger, I'll look that.
Cessna 57 Papa, traffic, correction, disregard. Roger. Cherokee 9 Romeo, start when you get to South Coast Plaza, start a left turn and make right traffic for runway 20 right. Report an Airbus on a 3-mile final in sight.
Okay, 901 Romeo's got the Airbus in sight over South Coast Plaza. We'll make a left turn for right traffic for 20 right.
Cherokee 901 Romeo, follow that Airbus, caution wake turbulence, runway 20 right, clear to land.
Roger that, behind the Airbus, clear to land, 20 right, 75, 901 Romeo.
Cessna 5 Charlie Sierra, where do you park?
Base up Street 5 Charlie Sierra.
Turn left at hotel, no delay please, contact ground.
Wilco, hotel, going to ground 5 Charlie Sierra by now.
1091, contact ground.
1091, correct.
Cessna 808, you're following Cessna over the freeway, short final, runway 20 left, clear to land.
Whiskey, holding short of 20 left.
Station 735 Charlie Whiskey, or 735 Mike Whiskey, John, roger. Cessna 808, Cessna.
Window if you want. And ground, hello, Cessna 375 Charlie Sierra, clear of 20 left at hotel, request taxi, Stop Street.
375 Charlie Sierra, John, ground taxi in the run up area and hold.
Run up an area and hold, 5 Charlie Sierra. Monday, and then we gotta wait for him probably.
Ground United 529, 20 right clear at Echo for gate 11.
Yeah, 529 John, ground taxi, Alpha to parking. Second gate.
Alpha to parking, gate 11, United 529.
John Wayne Ground American 1644, we're ready.
Cessna 5 Charlie Sierra, after the United Airbus passes northbound, continue to Alpha to parking.
Behind the Airbus, we'll go Alpha to parking, 5 Charlie Sierra.
Cessna 57 Papa, follow the other Cessna and taxi Alpha to parking.
Papa will follow the other Cessna to parking.
Turn their kilo across runway 20 right, and make the right turn onto taxiway Bravo. And hold short taxiway lane.
Right at Kilo, right turn on to Bravo, American 1644.
Alaska 507, I believe we're waiting for one inbound and then we're clear to push.
Yes, the Delta coming up behind you as we speak. You've got 20 seconds and you're good to go.
Thank you, 507.
So 364, contact tower 169.
And John Wayne Ground, Sportstar 241, Bravo, Mike Alpha Hotel for Dove Street.
Sportstar 241, Bravo, Mike, John Ground, taxi Alpha to parking.
Alpha to parking, 241, Bravo, Mike.